You think he released the Kraken. Don't let this sunny day fool y'all. It's cold.
Yeah. No, it's not.
Yeah.
Y'all made it so fun.
Looks like better than Christmas.
Man, it changes the whole look of it. Oh, yeah.
I bought new thrashing risers and bars.
Actually, that fits me pretty good.
Yeah.
Like a lot of miles on that seat.
I think so.
So we're gonna ride over to Marvin's and maybe show you something over there too. Yeah, honey, I'm the bogey biker, and you know I'm here to stay. Taking off this mount for this backrest I had on the stock seat is always a pain in the butt. Not really. Kind of got to pull the ECM up and get it out of the way to get to those nuts on the back side. Get that out of the way. Jason lives 2 miles down the road, and I'm pretty sure I just heard him pull out of his driveway. I think he released the Kraken. I think we decided on that name. Yep, I hear him. I don't know if y'all can hear him on camera, but he'll be here in 60 seconds. Did you release the Kraken? Is that what we?
I think we're gonna go with the Kraken. That's pretty good.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah. Don't let this sunny day fool y'all. It's cold.
Yeah, let's go.
I fixed my my oil problem.
Oh yeah, let's.
I put in the bolt so it doesn't feed the oil back through my pistons no more. You just hide it underneath the air breather off both sides and run it down. Let her go out on the ground. Because I'm not environmental friendly with a Harley.
Yeah. He's just kidding. He got a catch can. All right, so I'm taking off the old backrest, and I have no idea what's in that. I mean, I know it's in the box, but I'm not 100% sure. I ain't looked at it yet. No. So we're gonna do that together.
Exciting.
Yeah. Yeah. I've been talking to Buster at Saddlemen, and they were kind enough to send me a seat for my 2016 Road King that we're calling I don't know if we're calling it the Big Dude Dyna, maybe, but we're gonna try to turn it into a Big Dude Dyna because I like a Dyna, but I look ridiculous on one. So my Road King, I've decided to turn it in to not a Road King, kind of, sort of, into a Dyna. So I have a new seat from Saddlemen, so thank you very much, Saddlemen. I have a Saddlemen road sofa on my 2021 Road Glide Limited, and I got that right before Sturgis, and I had been through several seats, and I'm telling you, that thing is just absolutely comfortable. And I don't have to tell you about Saddlemen. They're the best in the business. But seats are unique to everybody's butt, so I really like the Saddlemen that I have, and I can't wait to open this up and see what it is, because I don't know exactly 100% what it's going to look like.
I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it.
Let's see what we got here. Just a plaid or something?
I don't know. Looks like better than Christmas.
Oh, it's a shirt.
Long Beach.
Nice. Wow. Thank you, Buster. Thank you, Saddlemen. put that on. Oh my gosh, more goodies. Oh, sweet. I didn't know any of this stuff was gonna be in here. Jason's disappointed he didn't go camping with us in the freezing temperature.
No.
Yeah, it was cold. Saddlemen, the gel seats expert.
I know where that's gonna go.
Yeah. Boat back to studio.
That's gotta go right on the wall in here.
Yeah.
We're getting down to the nitty gritty now.
I gotta take my sunglasses off for this. Nope. That's something else. God dang, the gifts keep on giving.
No kidding.
Saddleman hat. Put that on right now.
Now that's a box of goodies right there.
I'm telling you.
Oh
you
yeah,
go.
he's in business.
Now, the main attraction. Woo! Look at here, look at here. Make sure I got everything out of there.
Yeah. That was a whole lot like the one on Marvin's Dyna.
Yeah. Yeah, it's the step up seat. Look at that.
That's what I'm talking about.
No, we gotta put it on. Look at that on there. So let's just look at that. You can see some of the gel in there, but just look at the
Yeah.
quality of that.
Mm-hmm.
Wish my bike was cleaner, but
Yeah, you go.
been too cold to wash any motorcycles.
Oh, that ain't no lie.
What I like about it, so it came with this. So it came with a backrest. You know, if I ever were to take it on a long trip, it might not be bad to put on there. But most of the time, I'll probably run it
Without it, I'm
without
out.
it. Man, it changes the whole look.
Oh, yeah.
I like it a lot.
Uh-huh.
I'll get it out here in the light and we'll look at it before we take off. I gotta go put some breeches on.
Yeah, if you gonna ride, you better. It's chilly. I like the looks of that seat.
I do too. I like the feel of it.
Did it put you farther forward or just about the same?
I think my legs are about the same. It feels like I'm a little bit further forward. Does it look like I'm further forward?
Maybe a little.
Yeah.
But it might just be because of that high back.
Yeah.
You know, it's more straight up and down.
Mm-hmm.
Then this one was slope.
Yeah. Here, go for a ride. Sit on it, see what you think.
You can get on that baby nice and easy now.
Yeah.
Actually, that fits me pretty good.
Yeah.
Them bars ain't terrible right there.
Yeah, I may move the bars forward a little bit for me.
Yeah, I mean, I still can't reach the rope pegs with my little short self.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, man. We get all the front end of this thing cleaned up.
Mm-hmm.
You'll make it look like something special.
Yep.
Need to get them T-risers.
Yeah, so I'm still gonna do, I want a smaller front fender. I'm gonna take the front crash bars off. A fellow biker is sending me some of the, I don't know what you call those rear style crash bars. I'm not sure if they're gonna work on this bike or not, but you know, the straight ones. I don't know what that's called.
I call them one with the roller skate wheels
Yeah,
on them.
yeah. I'm working with Eagle Lights to get a lighting package, and I want to do the thrashing risers and bars, and then if we do a cam and a 2-in-1 exhaust, that's getting into some
Money.
moolah.
It'll give you some woomba though.
Yeah, yeah.
It's gonna be a standard. Oh, hard. There you go.
Cookie love.
Yeah. It's starting to look like not an old man bike. No.
Yeah. All right, let's get her out in the light. Dirty bike, but beautiful seat. The black and white is perfect too on that bike.
Yeah. It fits that bike perfect.
Yeah. Go for a ride?
You sure can.
We're gonna ride over to Marvin's and maybe show you something over there too. Let's do it. First we gotta talk about the elephant in the room. That's not the same bike they saw you on last time.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Y'all made it so fun. Everybody's riding behind the windshield, you know, felt good but me.
Yeah. Man, that thing just in person is just different than when you see it on TV.
You don't even hear it run.
Yeah. Not compared to the Kraken.
I can't make up my mind if I like that. I may like that.
You may like that for long rides, honestly.
Yeah. So far, it feels that way.
So, 2024 Road Glide CVO ST. And you haven't done anything to it yet.
No.
But you got, what'd you get?
I bought new thrashing risers and bars.
What size riser?
I did 9.5 inch
Yeah.
pullbacks with the mid-bend bar. And then a few little knickknacks. Yesterday, Jason and I installed these rear crash bars on it.
Yeah, those look good.
Just got to put some miles on it.
Yeah.
See what it feels like, see what it needs. I ordered a 12-inch clocks windshield for it to try to keep a little of that buffering on.
Yeah. Sit on that and see how it compares to yours.
You're already changing the looks of this.
I know, we took the
motorcycle.
front crash bars
bars
off.
off too.
Oh, that's the big difference. They were
Cleaned it
chrome.
up.
God, it feels so light. Oh, this feels good, don't it? That's
Yeah.
a lot wider than mine. I like that.
It's, yeah, they for the baggers they're wider, so
You can log a lot of miles on that seat.
I think so.
I told him we clean all this front end up, get rid of the fog lights, the blinkers, that big ass fender. I would take these off and make them naked like you do on your Dyna, and get him some little blinkers that fit on the side and get rid of that windshield.
Man, there's no telling what. The sky's the limit on playing with that thing.
Yeah.
To me. I don't think I'd take them bags off though. If I had
No.
like to plane on my Dyna, you know, carry a cap with you, a place
Yeah.
to put a jacket or to get one
Well,
out of.
Just being practical, I got camera gear and stuff. I mean, bags I'm probably gonna have to have. Let me show you
But
the
he's got some
answer.
like yours that are black. A guy gave them to him or something. He's got
Yeah,
one of
it's something like this. I don't think they have the wheels on them, but I'm not sure they'll work or not. This was kind of my inspiration. Suspension's another thing I gotta do.
Well, the bars and risers for that are here.
Oh
We
yeah?
were waiting to film it.
Yeah.
There's the bars and the
Well,
9.5 inch pullbacks on it.
well, that's what we need to be doing today is putting those on.
What I thought we were doing,
I
but
did too.
somebody said ride.
Well, I ain't really prepared for a long ride. We'll put a few miles on the seat. See how she feels. Man, the Kraken in front of me sounds good. All right, we just went for a little, I don't know, hour-long ride. And a couple things. One, I need to wash this filthy bike. You get out in the sun, don't realize how dirty it is. Two, once you use good suspension, which I have suspension technologies on my 2021 Road Glide Limited, you realize how bad, well, the stock suspension is on that bike. And it's the air suspension. Honestly, I don't even know if it's got any air in it, but man, the roads we went on were really a bunch of potholes, and so it was a bumpy ride. But the seat is fantastic. You know, I bought a used Saddlemen road sofa. Let me get this stuff off of here. I still haven't even unpacked from a camping trip. Used road sofa that I bought the week before. I rode it to Sturgis and back, and it is just absolutely comfortable. I haven't had a pain one since got that seat. I have no idea how old that seat is. I have no idea the technology that's changed from when that seat was made, because I have no idea when it was made, to this. But I can tell you, whatever the gel is, it feels like it's already conforming to my butt. And I just love the look of it. So this is step one of me turning this Road King into a big Dude Dyna. And I love the seat. I got lots to do to it. It's gonna take me, I'm not gonna do this in a week or two or a month or two. It's gonna take me maybe the plan is kind of throughout the year. I really want to do risers and T-bars. I want to do suspension. I want to do different crash bars. I'm working with Eagle Lights is going to supply the lights, so I'm going to clean up the back and the front with the lighting. I'm not sure if I'm going to paint it. I'm not sure about cam or exhaust or anything like that yet, but we'll just kind of see how it goes. But thank you to Saddlemen for supporting me in the channel and providing the seat. I'll be doing a long-term review also because, you know, 1 hour on the bike is not enough to really tell, except for the fact that it feels comfortable right out of the box. And I think Saddlemen is known as the leader in this business for a reason. It's a great seat. It's great looking, great feeling, and so far so good. I love it. So thanks again. So if you're in the market, I think you need to give Saddlemen a look. They're really good at what they do. I made the mistake again in not being prepared for the cold. My hands are freezing. I'm going inside to warm up. Appreciate you watching. We will see you next time. Say, see you next time, Max. Say, see you next time, Sebastian. Yeah, honey, I'm the bogey biker, and you know I'm here to stay.